Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and we have two rogues against a lone enemy queen. So white is winning this, but white must find the only winning move to win this, and it's a clever move and not everybody will find this move. And if you are confident on yourself and you want to try it by thinking for more time, just you can pause the video and guess the move on your own time. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here what is going on is we are going to checkmate the black king, but the problem is the queen. And one thing you should notice in this position is you shouldn't let the black queen go out with check, right? That is going to be very annoying to you, because the black queen will just perpetually give a check, and that would be just perpetual check a draw. So you don't let that happen. So here in this position we have a couple of moves to try. Maybe rook 2, b3 looks nice, solid. It connects the rook so that checkmate would be very soon, since the black king is just in the corner. But the problem with this move is black would go out with check, right? And that is the only check available for the black queen. And this is obviously going to be a draw, because black would just give us endless checks, and we can't skip these checks, and that would be just a draw. So what else can we try? So we can't go there immediately. Obviously the queen would capture us, and we can't move the king, right? Like I said, the queen would go out, and this is even going to be losing. So what else can you try? So here the thing you should see is we are threatening checkmate there, and the queen can't go out without a check, because this would be straight checkmate, right? Rook to f8 is going to be checkmate. So the first move of this puzzle is the incredible sacrifice of the rook on b7. So now the queen can't go out, black has to play, and the signature of this puzzle is to give a check like this and a check like this, and get behind the king and win the queen. So now in this position, let me just make a random move with black, like queen to c8. Now what we are going to do is give a check by playing rook to h7 and rook to g6. So now when the king and the queen aligned, we give a check, skewer the king, and win the queen like this. So this is the idea, and that is the signature of this puzzle. And now in this position, if the queen moves out, doesn't matter if the queen takes the rook or moves out anywhere, we can simply deliver checkmate like this. So that is going to be another thing. And this, in this position, the engine just recommend this move. Well, after these checks, black would be able to capture the one of the rook, and that would make harder for white to checkmate with only rook, but this is still a win. So this is the solution of the puzzle. I think once you find the move rook to b7, everything is going to be easy. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Bye.